This is another Andrew Holness deal breaker. Today I have to speak out once more. I just cannot keep silent. My people, let's call out Holness. He is a big failure because his silence means betrayal. Once again, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has failed Jamaica. While our Caribbean neighbors stand boldly with Venezuela, Holness stays quiet because Trump's shadow looms over him and his visa means more than his voice. Let's not forget, there was a time when Venezuela was Jamaica's bread and butter. Under Portia Simpson Miller, through Petrocaribe, Venezuela helped this country breathe. Fuel was cheaper, schools and hospitals benefited, and ordinary Jamaicans could live a little better. But now that Venezuela is struggling, Andrew Holness has turned his back. No statement, no support, no courage. Meanwhile, the rest of the Caribbean, Barbados, St. Vincent, Dominica, they're standing tall for regional unity. Even former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson has spoken with strength and integrity. He reminds us that Jamaica's foreign policy must be guided by independence and moral conviction. Not fear of Washington, not silence for convenience. And let's talk about Holness's character, because this is a pattern. Andrew Holness is weak, a jellyback leader. Remember at the United Nations, when nations around the world walked out in solidarity with Palestine? Andrew Holness sat there, motionless, looking over his shoulder like he was afraid of being sanctioned, because he's been bought out and compromised. That's not leadership, that's submission. He is a disgrace to the office of Prime Minister, and history will mark him as the weakest leader Jamaica has ever seen. But let's be patient, because truth has a way of catching up. Mark my words, his day of accountability will come. Today we give credit where it's due, to P.J. Patterson, who still carries the courage and dignity this nation deserves. And we send a message to Andrew Holness. You can silence your mouth, but you can't silence the truth. Leaders who sell their integrity for power will always fall. This is Michy Dex Commentary, where truth burns hotter than politics. Like, share, and subscribe, because Jamaica deserves leaders with spine, not strings. A visa can't buy integrity, and corruption can't hide forever.